Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Iqoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys screen double tap to activate problem how to fix. Friends, you have double tap to activate problem. Friends, you are not operating your Iqoo mobile. So friends, how to fix double tap to activate problem one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. Friends, you can see I cannot use my Iqoo phone screen. Same problem friends you have. And friends, if you one tap and friends you can see we cannot own any app on a device. So friends, you have this double tap problem. So how to fix? Open your phone setting. First of all, guys, use your two fingers. Any two finger friends you can use it, but you will have to use two finger because when one finger you cannot fix this double tap to activate problem. Use your two finger. Friends, one tap on your phone setting. Double tap here. Friends, you can see this type interface. Friends, click on Bluetooth setting and scroll it. Friends, you can use any two finger, but guys, use two finger. One finger we cannot fix. Double tap to activate problem. Friends, click on icon while shortcut and accessibility setting. Double tap here. Friends, again scroll. Accessibility setting. Double tap here. Accessibility menus. Select to speak settings. Switch access. Talkback. Friends, double tap here. Use talkback setting. Friends, one tap here. Again double tap. Friends, you can see cancel option, stop button. So friends, you want to fix this problem, so friends you will have to double tap here. Then friends you can fix your talkback problem, means double tap to activate problem. Friends, double tap here. And friends, you can use guys your Iqoo mobile without any double tap problem. Friends, you can one tap and you can on any setting. Friends, you can on any app on your device. Friends, direct friends click on app and you can on it. So like that friends, we can use double tap to activate problem we can solve. And friends, you can solve your double tap to activate problem with shortcut setting. And first of all, we will on again this talkback setting, allow here, and the talkback will on. So one tap, double tap, again friends you have this problem. One tap, double tap, one tap, double tap. Friends, open your phone setting. So guys, you are here on home screen page. So friends, one tap on your phone setting, double tap here. So friends, one tap on phone setting, double tap, search option, double tap, and friends search here TALKB. Friends, you can see talkback, one tap here, double tap friends, talkback setting, double tap, use talkback option. Friends, double tap here, one tap, double tap, continue. Talkback off. Friends, your problem will solve. And friends, you can use your Iqoo mobile guys without double tap to activate setting. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to fix double tap to wake or double tap to activate problem. Bye friends.